Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 16th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we are respecting this 78%, but boy, this thing has been very sideways pretty much all week long. We're trying to determine whether we're looking at a wave 3 or a wave C here. If we get a nice solid break, especially on shorter time frames to the upside, then it probably is a wave C, and it probably is going to keep on going up. I still have some doubts that that's what's going to happen, though, mostly because of my US dollar analysis. I still think there is a chance that it may not break up and it may actually end up breaking to the downside, which would probably confirm a larger move to the downside. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this whole move down right here. Now, the whole thing is if it goes up, to this area, and then rejects it, then that's more the shape of an ABC correction, and that's more the shape of a sorting opportunity. Now, if it goes up and breaks above these structure levels with momentum, and then maybe pulls back and retests them, and then pushes up again, then maybe this right here really is the bottom of a wave C on the daily, and maybe it really is going to start a brand new uptrend. So it really depends a lot right now on what happens, whether or not it continues to respect that 78% on the daily or whether it just makes another ABC correction within a downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.